Lot number 234 is a lot of 5. These are Bretford TV rolling carts. It's 5 of them. They all appear to be complete and in good working condition. They all come with a power cord and outlet. They all roll and they feel very sturdy. So these look like they're all ready to use. They show normal wear and tear. They're dirty. This one actually has a little bit of rust, surface rust going on here. So they're all used, but they're all still usable, sturdy, and in pretty good shape. It's a lot of 5 TV carts. They measure, I put the measurements on the description. It's lot number 234. Good luck.